Yusuf sat in front of his teacher, looking at the Quran with curiosity. The teacher smiled and said,
Today, Yusuf, we will learn two very important words that we always say in the Quran. Ar-Rahman and Ar-Raheem.
The teacher opened the Quran and pointed to the Basmala.
Look, Yusuf, we start every surah in the Quran by saying Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Raheem.
Yusuf asked,
What does Ar-Rahman mean? And what does Ar-Rahim mean?
The teacher replied,
Ar-Rahman means that Allah's mercy is very great. It covers everyone and everything, believers and non-believers, all over the world. As for Ar-Raheem, it means Allah's special mercy for the believers, giving them extra mercy in this life and the next.
The teacher continued,
That's why we say Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Raheem before every surah, to always remember Allah's wide and special mercy for us.
Yusuf smiled and repeated with the teacher in a clear voice,
Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Raheem.
Yusuf felt that these words were not just letters, but beautiful meanings that made him feel Allah's love and mercy every time he read the Quran. Your child's journey with the Quran can begin with understanding its meanings, just like Yusuf. Start learning today.